What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be bringing you a tutorial. You know, this tutorial is about my PS3 kept freezing every time I tried playing a game, mostly Black Ops 2. Every time I would load into a game, it'd freeze, just freeze. And sometimes I would just start playing and pick my class and just freeze. Like I couldn't play at all until I put my PS3 into recovery mode or safe mode. I don't know what it is. But if you guys have this problem, this will most likely fix it. If not, comment below. I'll try to find another way to fix it. Cause I know another way, but I don't think you guys want to do that. I think this one works. Going to your game data, delete the erase that game off your PS3, start it all over, and then hopefully that'll work. I don't know. And so first, what you gotta do is turn off your system. You gotta have your USB cord too, cause you have to connect it. Okay. Okay, you can see my red dot, right? Get my hands over it. Yep. So what you're gonna do first is wait for 3 beeps. Ready? First one. It'll turn off by itself. Okay, after that, you're gonna want to hold it until you hear 2 beeps. Watch. That's it. Just wait for the 2 beeps. And this should come up. Connect the controller using a USB cable. And then press the PS button. So look at. Oh, you can't even see it. Okay. So I pressed it. Okay. I'm gonna tell you right now. If first, the only one I really know how to do is rebuild that database. Okay. Restore system. Nah, I'm guessing that will restore it back to factory or this one too. But rebuilding your database will erase your messages and you sure look at. Are you sure you want to rebuild the database on the system storage? If you rebuild the database, messages, playlists, and other saved information will be deleted. It may take a few hours to rebuild. It won't actually take a few hours, They always exaggerate. You do that. I'll just do it. What the heck? You guys won't be scared. Yes. It's gonna be prayer. The system will turn on by itself, don't worry. Boom, 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 boom. Just press yes. Oh, turn on your PS3 controller. Yes. Nothing's gonna happen to your PS3. Yes. The database on the system storage will be rebuilt. Okay. And it won't take that long. I'll pause it, and when it's done, like it's already 6%. I don't think it's gonna watch this, so I'll just stop it and come back when it's done. Okay, now see it's at 60, 70, 74, 75, 70, look at that. It doesn't take that long. 100%. I'll just start up normally, and it'll say system was not turned off right. You just press OK. Oh, well, yours will say, I think maybe it'll say system did not turn off correctly last time, something like that. Just press OK, just go through that, and then you just hopefully your PS3 will be fixed. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like if this helped you. If it didn't, still like it, you know. That's what's up. And make sure to add me if you want to play with me, or just send me a message saying YouTube subscriber, whatever you just tell me from your YouTube. You see me from YouTube, and I'll add you. Next time I might be bringing some Black Ops 2 or Call of Duty Ghosts or GTA 5 gameplay. I don't know. I'm still thinking about that. My mom might give me the Elgato. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I'm saving all my money. So, till next time, guys. Peace.